Hello everyone. So in this video we have done the patch test on his hand already. You can see, right? Yeah, this is the already patch test place. Yes. So the patch test got succeeded and he's very happy with that output. So we are going to do the remaining places on his body. So that tone and this tone, it's almost matched, but small white patches are there in between. But this time we are going to cover that patches also. So because of he's happy with that patch test output, now we are going to do the remaining places on his hand to cover the exact places. So previous time we were doing with the exact skin tone, but this time client is looking for little darker tone than the previous time. So client asking us to do the little darker tone with the reddish output. So he feels like once got healed, he might have matched with the exact skin tone. So we also suggested the same thing, and we would like to go ahead with the same as per suggestion of the client. And we also felt that when we do in this way, we can get the much more better and good output. So as you can see, the process started now. It's going more smooth and perfect. It's coming out nice. The process is going so smooth and perfect. We don't need to worry about much about this process because it is going on in the smooth way. So see this top pigment, it's matching out because our client is asking for a little darker tone than his actual skin tone. We are making a darker tone, so that once got healed, it will be matched into his actual skin tone. So we are doing this after succeeded of his patch test, and most of the time clients love to getting it done once the patch test got successful. And in this treatment, the pain will not be so much, but I can't deny if you are going and getting it done in sensitive places, like for example on the fingertips or on the neck areas or the side ribs areas, there are a chances small amount of pain will be there, but it's bearable completely. So once the movement started doing it, it's all start to change. So in this video itself, you can see the differences of the pigments which we are doing it now. It's all getting more smoother and smoother, and it gives the proper way of attaching things. So once the process started happening, we can get the exact output. So in that way we can achieve the things without delegating more into it. So if you guys have any more doubt, please do contact us. Our contact number is on the screen. Our relationship manager will help you to proceed further. So now we are doing it on the finger areas. As you can see, it's matching the exact skin tone almost. It's one tone darker than his actual skin tone. So by the way, we can achieve the exact skin tone once it's got healed. That's the plan for doing it, plan of this treatment. So we are matching out on the side of the fingers and in the above bone place, everywhere. So the client came from all the way Dehradun to get this treatment done. The first time when he came, the patch test has been successful, so he came to get it done, remaining places on his whole body. So for him on that day, we have done both the hands and both the legs. On the next day, both the legs. So it's a 2-day sessions we have done it. And many of them asking the doubt, will this cause any side effects, or because of this treatment will there going to be any of the spreadings? No, I would say completely no. There is a zero spreading and there is no side effects at all, because the inks which we are using, it's specifically made for vitiligo pigmentation and it's organic micropigmentation ink. vegan certified one. So there is no animal contents of animal charts, bone waxes or bee waxes, nothing will be there. It's completely safe to proceed further. In this way we can achieve the exact skin tone, but we always recommend our clients to go ahead for the patch test first. Once you got the patch test done, and if you are happy with it, then we'll ask the client to go ahead and proceed with the remaining places of the body. This is why, because at the first time itself, if you have done full places on your finger or your body, there are chances your pigmentation, your melanin might not accept this color pigmentation. So that's why we don't want to waste the client's time, and we don't want to waste the client's money and the effort. So we always recommend our clients to go ahead with the patch test first, see the result. If you are happy with the result, and if you are more delegate to go ahead and proceed with the remaining places in your body, then boom, you can go ahead and get it done, no problem at all. So that's how this process starts in the starting period of the time. So whenever we'll be trying to make this treatment done, whenever we try to proceed and go ahead with the more darkness of the skin, we'll recommend to be go ahead only on the particular places, not on the whole places of the body. So as you can see, it's matching with the exact skin tone, and it's going more smoother and smoother. The client is also so much happy with the process. And now almost we are going to finish the one hand. So as you can see, the one hand is completely got finished. The client is so happy for getting it done. So I'll meet you guys in the next video. Don't die nude.